One of the most asked questions on the latest years has been about earning money online and making money online. And I have the right answers for you because I have discovered and I will show you today a new website in which you can earn money online. What you will have to do is just sign up and then click the earn button, and just as easy as that, you will get your instant money and you will increase your incomes. The only thing that you will have to do is just write a list of the things that you will need to buy with this money that you are going to earn and how you are going to spend them. This is worldwide, so you don't have to worry in which part of the world you're living right now. I'm gonna guide you through step by step what you will need to do and how you can earn those money with this website. And let me tell you, it doesn't require any special skills or any knowledge at all because it's very easily. Now, before I jump into more details, I would like to ask you first, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also have a look at our other videos as well, because I'm always publishing new methods how you can earn money online. Now let's jump into more details. The website that I was talking about is called Yazing. Yazing.com. Yazing.com, in fact, it is a website in which you can shop different brands like Walmart, Dell, gift cards, also hotels and wine. So as you can see, you will find different brands here and you can shop them, but we are not here to buy anything. But I will tell you guys that even if you would like to shop anything at this website, you will get cash back. Yes, you heard me right. So for each purchase that you are going to make, you will get paid. But we are more interested on the influence online, so you will get paid just for influencing them. As I told you, on Yazing you are going to save and also make money. Save money because in the or moment that you are going to buy something, you will get paid. So as I said, the first method in which you can earn money on this website is just for shopping. Yazing pays you cashback rewards on everything that you will buy online and provides the current deals and coupon codes also. You will also get paid to promote, and this is where we are going to focus more. So promoting and getting paid, just as easy as that, with just a click of a button. So Yazing will pay you and give you money just for promoting brand deals and coupon page with others. Now you're probably wondering where you can find the right traffic source in which you can share this affiliate link. I'm going to show you everything, guys. So this is why I'm always telling you to stick to the end of this video, because I will explain everything that you will need to know. Now the first thing that you will have to do is join at yazing.com and open an account to start immediately from the work. Now you will have to fill out the following fields like your username, email, password, confirm password, and then click register now. Or you can join with Facebook, it doesn't really matter. You can join in both ways. Now after registering, you will have to activate your account. They will send you a confirmation email and you will have to click it and activate your account immediately. After activating your account, you can start working at Yazing. So as I said, just as easy as that, you sign up and you get start from work and earn money. Now you're probably wondering what I'm going to do and how can I do it. Well, as you can see at the dashboard over here, you will see different brands offering their prices for each promotion that you are going to make. You see the promote button over here, you will just have to click it. Now you will see Bluehost over here, in which they are going to pay you $65 just for promoting them. Click on promote over here and you will see your affiliate link in which you will have to share it in order to earn money. And I'm going to show you where you can find a big traffic source that you will need to earn those money. Now, one of the most asked questions that I get is, how can I withdraw the money that I get from Yazing or from other websites? Well, I'm going to show you today how you can receive the money, how you get the money. Now, you will have to go to your name over here. After clicking it, some options will show up. And then you will have to go to edit profile. Here you will have to put some user details like first name, last name, address, city, state, and country, and also the account that you are going to get paid. So you will have to put your PayPal account over here. So your email, enter password, re-enter password, and then save. And this is how they are going to pay you. Just as easy as that, guys. I told you that it will be a website that doesn't require any special skills or knowledge. You have everything ready for you. Now what you will have to do is just to find the right traffic source and earn money. Imagine for each person that is going to click the link for Bluehost, you are going to earn $65 for each person. Now I'm going to show you where you can find a great traffic source. Now the first website I'm going to show you is called Answers. Now Answers is a website that you are going to use to find your traffic source. As you can see from similar web, Answers gets a 6.1 million total of visits, so it's a big website and has a lot of people over there, and you will need those people to earn your money. So you can see also over here that the top countries that are on this website are from United States, United Kingdom, Philippines, India, Canada, and many other countries as well. Now what you will need to do is go to Answers and start the work. Here you will see different topics in which people make questions and they get answered. As we know, guys, people these days also make their search on Google on based on questions. So they write a question and they wait for an answer from Google. Now this is basically how this website works. And you can see, for example, if we search for best hosting service questions, you'll see that different people have made this question and they got some answers. Now you're probably saying and wondering that you will have to put the answer, the affiliate link on answer, but no, you're not going to do that because your comment will be lost with other comments over there, and the chances that people will see it and click will be very low. What you will need to do is create a new question about, for example, if we are going to promote Bluehost over here, we are going to make a question about hosting service. Now just go to create and then click question after you have logged in, of course, and created an account. Then you can ask a question, for example, what are the best hosting service providers for 2022? After submitting your question, what you will need to do is go again to the website and create another account in which you will answer the question that you just made. So what you will need to do, answer with your affiliate link about Bluehost. So for each person that's going to click, you are going to earn $65. Just as easy as that, guys. So this is how you are going to earn money and find a traffic source. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also leave a like to this video.